Future steel buildings are easy to assemble in as little as a few days. Step 1. Gather a few friends and basic hand tools. Step 2. Assemble the arches on the ground. Step 3. Raise the arches. Step 4. Install the end walls and accessories. For a free quote on a customized steel building, call 1-800-668-5111 or visit futurebuildings.com.